Most people will never build wealth, not because they don't make enough money, but because nobody never showed them this. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact, step-by-step investing strategy that the top 1% use, and it works whether you have $50 or $50,000. No fluff, no filler. Let's get into it. Let me tell you why most people get investing wrong. Here's the problem. Most people think investing means picking stocks, watching charts, or timing the market. That's gambling, not investing. Real investing is boring on purpose because boring is what makes you rich over time. The smartest investors in the world follow one simple rule. Consistency beats brilliance every single time. Step 1. Build your financial base first. Before you invest a single dollar, do this first. Clear your high-interest debt, anything above 7% interest. Pay that off before investing. You cannot out-invest a 20% credit card rate. It's mathematically impossible. Then, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Cash, liquid, untouched. Why? Because without this safety net, the moment life hits, and it will hit, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the worst possible time. Foundation first. Always. Step 2. Use tax-advantaged accounts. This is where most beginners leave free money on the table. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's an instant 50 to 100% return. Nothing in the market beats that. Next, open a Roth IRA. You invest after tax money. It grows tax-free, and you pay zero taxes when you withdraw in retirement. Zero taxes. Max these out before you open any other account. This is the smart order. Step 3. Invest in index funds. Now what do you actually invest in? Index funds. Full stop. An index fund, like the S&P 500, gives you a tiny slice of the 500 biggest companies. In America, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all in one investment. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. Over 30 years, $200 a month becomes over $400,000. You don't need to pick winners. You just need to own everything. Low fees, high diversification, maximum simplicity. Step 4. Automate and forget. The secret weapon of wealthy people? Automation. Set up automatic contributions every single payday. You never see the money. It goes straight to your investments. This eliminates emotion. And emotion is the #1 killer of investment returns. When the market crashes, and it will crash, automation keeps you buying at the dip without even trying. Automate it. Set it. Forget it. Step 5. Think in decades, not days. The final step is the hardest and the most powerful. Stop watching your portfolio every day. Stop panicking when the market drops 10%. Every single market crash in history, 2008, 2020, every single one, eventually recovered and went higher. Your only job is to stay in the game long enough to win. Time is your greatest asset. Use it. So here's your game plan. 1. Clear high-interest debt plus build emergency fund. 2. Max your 401k match plus open a Roth IRA. 3. Invest in low-cost index funds. 4. Automate your contributions. 5. Think in decades. That's it. That is the smartest way to invest. No hype, no shortcuts, no guru needed. If this gave you clarity, drop a comment below saying, "I'm starting today," because commitment is step 0. Like this video if you want more no BS money content, and subscribe so you never miss it. I'll see you in the next one.